Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the stick boat where the stick failed, because understanding the break pattern tells you what to replace and why. Once identified, remove any loose splinters and old glue. This gives a clean bonding surface. Collect epoxy, marine glue, a 1/2 dowel or matching wood, clamps, and sandpaper. Have screws and waterproof tape ready. Begin the repair immediately to prevent further damage. Make sure the hull is supported, so the area stays aligned while you work. Once the replacement piece is prepared, dry fit it to confirm alignment and load path. This is critical for strength. Apply a generous layer of epoxy and marine glue to both surfaces, then press the joint together. The bevel or scarf increases glued surface area and reduces stress concentration. Wrap the joint with tape or fiberglass for reinforcement, clamp securely, and add pilot screws for structural joints only. Let the assembly cure fully per epoxy instructions, so the bond. After curing, sand the repair starting with 80 grit to shape, then 220 grit to smooth. Remove dust so coatings adhere. Seal the area with 2 coats of marine varnish or epoxy paint, allowing full cure between coats to resist water. Once finished, perform a controlled static load test on land and a short float test in shallow water. Watch the seam for movement or seepage. If you see flex or leakage, reclamp, reapply epoxy into gaps, and add an external patch for reinforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.